I'd like to call up Mr. DeAndre Cameron.
Good morning. I'll be reading my comments from a speech that I wrote. Good morning, Commissioners. My name is DeAndre Cameron. I'm a concerned citizen and former Texas peace officer here in El Paso. I'm here today because I witnessed a growing problem in our courts, one that affects countless families, especially fathers who are simply trying to be a part of their children's lives. There's a pattern of attorneys doing the bare minimum, withdrawing from cases when clients ask them to do their jobs, and judges routinely approving these withdrawals without asking the basic question of why. In my own experience, critical motions were filed at the last possible moment and allowed to lapse without hearings. This isn't just negligence, it's a systemic failure that punishes anyone who expects diligence from their attorney. At the same time, I've seen a troubling pattern in how the district attorney's office handles certain cases. Domestic violence cases are being accepted and criminal warrants issued before full investigations are complete. Witness statements are missing, suspect interviews are never taken. Cases that should be returned back for further investigation are instead filed with the hope that the defendant will take a plea bargain, even when the DA office knows the case is weak. This practice not only wastes resources, but also damages lives, especially the lives of men falsely accused who are pressured into guilty pleas just to move on. And when these same men try to report parental alienation or interference with child custody, their concerns are dismissed. Yet under Texas Penal Code 25.03, keeping a child from their lawful parent is a felony. Our system enforces 25.05 chrono non-support aggressively against fathers, but almost never against the 2503 against parents who deny visitation. There's a double standard, and it's time we talk about it honestly. I'm asking this court to encourage a policy review and roundtable that includes the district attorney's office, the judiciary, and the council of judges to examine how attorney withdrawals are approved, why incomplete cases are being filed, and how we can ensure gender-neutral enforcement of family-related offenses. I'm not here to attack anyone. I'm here to ask for accountability, transparency, and fairness. Values I upheld for a decade in law enforcement and values our justice system must hold above all else. Thank you for your time and for giving me a voice, an opportunity today, even though I just don't fully believe in the system as much anymore. Something I forgot to put inside my speech, I do want to just state that this is an attempt to minimize real victims of domestic violence as far as my statements go. I did make a packet for each of you, if you don't mind me giving it to you. It contains my original speech, a letter I also wrote to many judges here and any office that I thought was relevant. It's a 3-page letter that I wrote, and even a proposed.
We need your comments on the microphone, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you.
And I'm sorry, what was the comment that you?
Yeah, just
if
to
you-
make sure
if
if you make a comment, it's
has
at
to
your
go-
microphone.
Okay. I apologize. Yes, but so basically the packet just contains my speech from the day, a 3-page letter that I sent to probably about 50 different people within this court buildings here in El Paso, and a proposed resolution just to give an idea of where my mindset is and hope that something happens. It's an unfair process here in El Paso, and what's happening with the attorneys, and I'm not saying all attorneys, there's some really good attorneys out there, but there's some attorneys, it's borderline deceptive business practice what they're doing, taking our money, and when we're asking for them to do their job, they're just withdrawing or just not doing what they were paid to do. It's a crime, but they get to hide behind the fact that they're a lawyer, and some of the judges are approving their withdrawals just to walk away. It's not right. Thank you all.
No, well, we thank you. We appreciate your feedback and taking the time as a concerned citizen. So we're very appreciative, and we'll take this to heart. Thank you.
I appreciate all of you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mr.
Sir?
Cameron, we also have our DRO office coming up, and Mr. Bishop also, just to talk to you outside to see what we can do. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, and I sit on the Justice Council. If you'll get with my staff,
Okay.
Precinct 4,
Okay.
we'll talk.
I sure will.
Thank you for that, Commissioner.